everybody. So today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2022 Toyota Tacoma. Quite simple. First, you want to open up the glove box. And we'll take out all the stuff you have in the glove box first. Let's do that. Alright, next up, you're going to see this thing, and it actually says slide up and remove. So we're just going to slide that up. It just falls off. That's easy. Then we're going to see these clips. There's one over here, and there's one over here. Pop that open. That reveals the cabin air filter. Now let's take a look at the condition of it. Definitely say it's time for a new one. Why is there metal fragments in here? I have no clue. Doesn't look great, but that's why we're replacing it. Cabin air filter. You're going to see says where the airflow is over here. So it should be going down. So then we're just going to slide it in. And we put everything back. I'm going to put this back on. Once we found it, push it to click in. Click. And click. Okay, next we want to just slide this back in. And that's all there is to it.